Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a company called Payoff. They have a program called the Payoff loan, and this is going to help you pay off your credit card debt with one big loan to consolidate your debt with a low interest rate and low monthly payments. So if you're interested in seeing this as well as a bonus towards the end of the video about how you can actually remove other negative accounts and increase your credit score up to 100 points within the next 90 days, make sure that you watch this entire video from start to finish. And also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is going to be at the bottom of this video. And also a link is going to be in the description. So how the Payoff program works is that it helps you take control of your credit card debt and it consolidates all of your debt into one loan. So pretty much Payoff is going to give you up to $40,000 to pay off your debts. So they have a simple process that takes about 3 minutes. They do a soft pull for you to check your eligibility. So the first thing they're going to do is, of course, check your rate. There are no application fees or commitments, and it does not impact your credit score. After you get an offer or approval, you're going to be able to select that offer that's going to work best for you, and then you're going to finish your application. Then they're going to verify your information. You're going to review your terms, and you're going to sign the loan documents. Once you're approved, you're going to receive your funds to pay off your credit card debt. It's going to be electronically deposited into your account. So here's what you need to get approved for this loan. So you're going to need a 640 credit score or higher. So also as a free tool, they're going to provide you with your FICO score every month for free once you sign up and you're approved. Also, you cannot have any current delinquencies. So your credit delinquencies are payments you owe and have not currently paid. If you have any, they suggest that you resolve those before applying for the Payoff loan. So this is for people with decent credit, 640 FICO score or higher. You cannot have any delinquencies. So that means you cannot have any behind payments on any of your accounts on your credit, and your debt to income ratio needs to be good. So if you don't know what the debt to income ratio is, it's basically the amount of debt that you have versus your income. So how much money you owe each month to how much money that you earn. So it's the percentage of your gross monthly income before taxes that goes towards your monthly payments for housing, credit cards, and other debt. Also, the age of your credit history, they're going to be looking at that. And then your open and satisfactory trade accounts and your credit utilization. So basically the bare minimum that you need, again, is a 640 credit score and 0 delinquent accounts. If you meet those requirements, go ahead and apply for this loan. If you would like to, the link is going to be down in the description. So this program is focused on getting you out of debt, and it's focused on helping you boost your FICO score. So they have lower rates than most credit cards, and they have customizable loan terms. Their application process is very fast. It's online. It only takes a few minutes. And they also do have personal customer service. They are located in California. So again, you can get up to $40,000. The minimum is $5,000. And on average, they can help you increase your credit score by 40 points. So this is something that you definitely want to check out if you have credit card debt that you need to get out of that has high interest rates. You definitely want to check out Payoff, and check out the link down in the description. Now we're going to talk about the bonus information on how you can actually remove other derogatory accounts off of your credit and boost your credit score within 90 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the bonus information really quickly. If you want to increase your credit score by as much as 104 points in as little as 90 days, I want you to click the first link down in the description box. This particular program is going to teach you how to repair your credit yourself. So you don't have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars at a credit repair agency only to find out that your credit score didn't improve at all. I've been there. I've done that. I actually used this exact program to get thousands of dollars worth of negative accounts removed off of my credit very quickly using the tactics that they have provided in this training. So if you click the link down in the description, it's going to take you to this page. Make sure that you watch this entire video. And if you decide to get this program, I'm going to show you what you're going to get really quickly if you decide to get this program. So if you want to get a new house, if you want to refinance your home, get a new car, get personal loans or a personal credit card with good benefits and low interest rates, this is going to teach you how to do that by repairing your credit. So once you answer the questions, it's going to take you to this step 1. The price is going to be $39, and you're going to get a bunch of stuff for only $39. $39 is an amazing deal, by the way, compared to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars at a repair or a credit repair agency. So once you get to this page, you're going to see that they have a 60-day money-back guarantee. You're going to get instant access to the training. And they also are going to give you a free bonus of business credit secrets. So they're going to teach you how to build business credit as well as personal credit. And if you want to get the audio book as well, it's only going to be a $3 upgrade. So you're only going to spend $39 to get information on how to repair your credit as well as build business credit. And I'm going to show you what you're going to get. So this is inside of the Credit Secrets dashboard. I've had this program for like almost 2 years now. It works very well. They give you 4 phases to go through to repair your credit. They give you all the tools that you need. And there are some upgrades if you want to get some of the upgrades. It's completely optional. Phase 1, they're going to teach you how to get an updated report of your credit score. You're going to be able to join their private community. And also, they're going to give you the Credit Secrets Jumpstart training, which is a 10-minute phone call that can help you raise your score between 30 and 70 points automatically. And then phase 2 is going to be the phase that improves your score. So you're going to get the ebook and you're going to get a walkthrough video to help you go through the process. And they also have a automated software that's going to auto generate the but the letters that you're going to send to the credit bureaus. But this is a upgrade. And then phase 3, they're going to help you build wealth. So they're going to give you some secret money training on how you can get up to $12,500 in new available credit. Also, they're going to teach you business credit secrets and a way to make money online. Then level 4, they're going to teach you home buyer secrets as well as car buying secrets, which is actually going to be added really soon. And then Credit Secrets audiobook, which is actually another upgrade. So this is a really good program. As you can see here, there are lots of testimonials here from people getting results. This is from the Facebook group of people posting their results of buying new cars, their credit score is being raised, them being able to obtain new credit cards, buying houses, and things like that. Someone bought a boat here. Another person bought a motorcycle and a house. So if you are looking to raise your credit score, this is definitely the program for you. Make sure that you check it out. Click the first link down in the description box below.